Welcome back, folks. Today we look at a hot hatch legend, the Golf 8 GTI. It's a name that gets car enthusiasts excited. For decades, the GTI has been the benchmark hot hatch. This car delivers a thrilling drive with practicality. The Golf 8 continues the legacy of its predecessors. It's a car that's fun to drive. It's also a car you can use every day. But have you ever wondered how the Golf 8 is made? Join us as we go behind the scenes. We'll explore the journey from factory floor to showroom. Get ready to learn about the making of a modern classic. This is more than just a car. It's a masterpiece of engineering. It's a testament to German precision and passion. Let's dive in and discover the secrets of the Golf 8. The GTI 8 is made in Wolfsburg, Germany. This city is the heart of Volkswagen. It's home to Volkswagen's largest factory in the world. The Wolfsburg factory is a marvel of modern manufacturing. It uses advanced robotics and skilled workers. This ensures each GTI 8 meets the highest standards. The factory is a hive of activity. Robots work alongside skilled technicians. They transform raw materials into a high-performance machine. Every stage of the process is precise. This dedication to quality is evident in the final product. The GTI 8 is a testament to the skill and dedication of the Wolfsburg workforce. The manufacturing process is fascinating. It starts with raw materials. These are carefully selected and inspected for quality. The car's body is made from high-strength steel. This forms a rigid and safe structure. Robots weld the body panels together with precision. Next comes the paint shop. Here, the GTI 8 gets its distinctive color. Multiple layers of paint and clear coat are applied. This creates a durable and lustrous finish. The engine and transmission are then installed. These are the heart of the GTI 8. They work together to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Finally, the interior is fitted. This includes the seats, dashboard, and infotainment system. Each component is carefully chosen for quality and comfort. Section 4. The price of performance. The GTI 8 is a premium hatchback. Its price reflects the high-quality materials and advanced technology used in its construction. The engine, transmission, and suspension are all designed for performance. These components are more expensive than those found in a standard car. The interior is also appointed with premium materials. These include leather seats and a high-end sound system. The GTI 8 is competitively priced. It offers a lot of value for money. It's a car that delivers performance, practicality, and style in one compelling package. Section 5. Engineering excellence, the GTI 8 legacy. The GTI 8 is a remarkable machine. It's the result of years of engineering expertise and a passion for building great cars. From the factory floor to the road, every aspect of the GTI 8 has been carefully considered. This is evident in the car's performance, handling, and overall quality. The GTI 8 is more than just a car. It's a statement. It's a statement that says you demand the best. It says you appreciate quality and performance. So the next time you see a GTI 8 on the road, take a moment to appreciate the engineering and craftsmanship that went into creating it. It's a car that deserves respect.